We on the way up.
If you saw last video on this channel, you know we went to a 3-day drift event and one of the tires ended up delaminating and destroying the brand new wrapped bumper. So today we're gonna be fixing it with drift stitches. For this, you're gonna need drill bits, pliers, box cutters, and most importantly, zip ties. I use painter's tape to hold the bumper in place in order to start drilling. Make sure the top or the head of the zip tie is behind the bumper so it doesn't show. Then start stitching X's throughout the part that you need fixed. So drift stitching is nothing more than stitching with zip ties. It's a quick fix that works, and on a drift car, I don't think it looks bad. But that's what I think. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll be reading and I'll be talking to you guys there. Today we're gonna be also installing quick releases to the front bumper because at the track I always need to remove and put back the bumper. So we're gonna install quick releases to make this job easier.
I would move mountains just to see your beautiful face. I would live forever if I could lay with you in my bed. I'm gonna take you places you've never been before, 'cause we know we're gonna live forever. So let's make love, love, love until the sun comes up, 'cause we both know that it's love, it's magic. If there's something I could do to get you right here in my bed, I would die 100 times to make you get out of my head. You're the happy in the sadness, you just make me come alive. I will make you smile forever, but it's not loving each other tonight.
As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tomorrow I'll be back for another one.